All right, here is our cabin tour of our little place we stayed in Golden. It had a washer and dryer, which was very useful after those long, dirty, sweaty hikes. There was a nice living room, nice kitchen, tons of storage, full-size fridge, coffee maker, all the good stuff. We had a king bed in the bedroom. And this closet had plenty of storage. It was nice. There were drawers, and you could hang stuff as well, extra pillows. And then we have the bathroom, which was nice. Just has everything you need: sink, toilet, shower, tub. The water was nice and hot, good water pressure, nice and clean. Everything was very clean. This whole place was very clean, and the owner was super friendly and very knowledgeable about the hikes in the area. Any question we had, he had suggestions or alternatives. So I highly recommend this place. Just to have him like as a resource was amazing. But yeah, they had plenty of appliances, everything you could need: water, tea kettle, dishwasher, oven. I think we made a pizza one night. Oh, and then out here, we have a nice little balcony with a little table and some seats and a grill. So one night we grilled some steak and ate dinner out on this balcony while we watched the sunset. It was just so perfect, so magical. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. I love this place.